Alright, stop whatever you're doing now, because in the next few minutes after watching this video, you will be ready to start earning your first money online, and this money you can withdraw it with PayPal, Bitcoin, web money, Paytm, ATM, Payer, and even bank transfer. Today I'm going to be showing you a new method to make money online even faster. If you watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you also a trick to even make huge money with this method I'm about to show you in today's video. So make sure you pay attention and also follow the steps I show you in today's video to start making money online in the next minute. But before I show you this method, if you haven't, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also turn on notification bell button, so next time when I create new videos you will get update. So with that being said, let's move on into today's video. So first of all, go to Google and tap shrinkme.io. and click the first one here. So this is the website we're going to be using today. But before we go on, let me just show you the pay proof. So these are the pay proof, guys, from other people using this website to earn real money online. As you can see, this is 24th of 5th. So you can see that this is real and it is still working. It is never too late to join this method now that I'm about to show you in this video to start making money online. This guy has $104 and he collected this payment with PayPal. So these are part of the method you can use to withdraw your money after earning money on this platform. So now, how to earn money on this platform is very easy. All you just need is to create an account and then shorten a URL link, and after that you earn money. But don't worry, just wait. This is what you've never seen before, because no one has ever shown you this method I'm about to show you. First, as you say, after 1,000 click from Greenland, you get $22, and if your click comes from Ireland, you get $16, and even when it comes from Belgium, you get $7, and when they come from Spain or France, you get $5. So if you wait to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how we're going to target these high income countries. So how to target them and how to earn the most with this website very fast. Okay, this is what I'm going to show you at the end of this video. But first of all, let me show you how you can make money using this website. The first thing you need to keep in mind is that we need to shorten URL link. So where are we going to get a URL link from? We need to get a viral URL link that people are ready to click, and this is what I'm going to show you in today's video. We need to find something viral that people are willing and even ready to click your link or to look what you get in the link. So this is what we're going to be doing, and to do that, first of all, so we need to go to YouTube. And now, lose weight, it's a trending topic that solves people's problem. This is why we're going to use this method to earn money for us. What we're going to do is that we just go to YouTube and type on the search bar lose weight workout. As you can see here, there are many different type of lose weight videos that we can use. All we need to do if we want to use this first one is just to click on it. So after clicking on it, we just go on to the URL bar here and copy the URL link, and after copying that, go to this space here and paste the link here. Okay, and then shorten. So now we have the shortened URL link here. So this is what we're going to be using in the next minute. So we're going to copy the shortened URL link, all right, and then we need to go to Google and look for lose weight forums on Google. So I found forums here, okay, based on weight loss. So this is the forum, guys. All we just need to do is to come to these forums and join them and start creating content. So, and after that, in the content we create, we're going to include the shortened URL link, like to help people who are ready to lose weight, because there are many people online there on this forum that want to lose weight and looking for tips or ways to lose weight. So this is where we're going to use this method to earn money for us. We're going to come here and start creating content and also insert the link that we've shortened. As you can see here, only from Monday of this week, there are almost 68,000 messages and there are 15,000 trades. So it means that this is a very trendy forums that we can join. People on these forums come from all over the world, so no matter where they come from, either they come from Spain or Germany, you'll still earn $5 per 1,000 click. If you even get luck that they come from all these top countries like Ireland or Greenland, you get $22 per 1,000 click if they come from Greenland, and you get $16 per 1,000 click if your click come from Ireland. So, but don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to target these top countries to even earn $22 or even $16 per 1,000 click. So now to target these countries, we're going to go to Google and click on setting. So when we click on the setting, we're going to go down here to the advanced search. So now we are in the advanced search. What we're going to do is that we want to go here to region and change the region to like Greenland. So we're going to go down here and look for Greenland. So this is Greenland here, guys. So we can leave it in Greenland, or we go down here, or we can go choose Ireland. But because you have a limited chance with Greenland, so this is why I'm going for the next country, and which is Ireland. So we're going to leave the region in Ireland and click advanced search. So it's going to bring different type of weight loss forums in this area in Ireland. So this is the trick I want to show you guys. This is a very good way to target all these top countries so that you can earn more money in a short period. In a short period of time using this method. And this is how you can also get the most out of this shrinkme.io. Okay guys, as you can see here guys, this is what most of these people are doing also, and making even more money. As you can see here, there's people with payment of $5, and there are also people with the payment of $101. So this is based on the ways and the strategies these people are using and where they're getting the traffic to their shortened URL link. So this is very, very different. If you do it the way I show you in this video, you will get the most money by doing this method. So if you know this is not your way and you even want something more better to earn big money online, don't worry, I also have it covered. There is a other way that you can make money online with this software called Monster Mode 700K. You can get the link to this software in this video description. It's a viral with one-click app, and with this help you can get $500 plus a day on Autopilot, which means that you don't need to do any work. After setting it, you can start earning money on Autopilot with this software. And there are videos here on this that will show you exactly what you need to do and how you need to set things up to start earning this type of huge payment every time. So they're going to show you exactly how you need to set things up and start earning such amount daily. So there are different type of proofs here, as you can see on the screen now. If you want to earn such solid payment like this, you just need to go to the link in this video description, find the link to this software and start using this software to earn money on Autopilot. And if you think this is also not for you, I got something special for you guys. Just make sure you go to the first link in this video description and click on it, enter your email address, and this is where I'm going to be sending you to your inbox other methods to earn big money online on Autopilot. So thank you for watching this video. If you know you will gain value on this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and also turn on the notification bell button so next time when I create a new video, I will send you an update. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video.